Welcome to the Pixel Previewer, powered by Pixel Lights. This video is an overview and in-depth look at our holiday lighting preview tool. This tool allows you to create interactive previews for any current or potential LED lighting install. To use the tool, you first need to create an account. Creating an account is easy and should only take a few minutes. Once you've created an account, you must buy some tokens to create previews. If you would like to try out the tool on some examples, click the Open Examples button. These will not cost any tokens, but you cannot use custom pictures, and your preview may be overwritten by the next person to use the example. To buy tokens, go to your profile and click Add Tokens, or from the Mapper window, click Tokens. We have a couple differently priced packages available. Choose the one that suits your needs and check out. Once you have some tokens in your account, return to the Mapper page to start your preview. To start, upload the photo you would like to draw lights on by clicking the Choose File button. Once your photo is uploaded, you can start drawing lights. Start by clicking 2 or more points on the image to draw a line of lights. Once your line is finished, click the End Run button and enter the amount of lights you would like in that run. Continue to create runs and adding lights until you are happy with your preview. If you make a mistake at any point, you can use the Undo and Redo buttons to subtract from your lines, and the Reset button will delete all lines and pixels. Once your preview is finished, click the Done button to confirm your preview. If your placement looks correct in the preview, click Yes to continue to the previewer. This may take a minute. In the previewer page, you have a variety of options to change how the preview looks. You can use the Day/Night toggle to darken the image to highlight the lights. You can change the colors per effect. You can change the effect or animation of the lights. Lastly, turning off pixels off will remove the black background behind the lights, altering the look of the lights. You can use the Copy Link button to copy the page URL to share with other people, such as customers. Additionally, in the profile settings, you can edit your logo and name, which will change the title and logo in your previews. Also, in the profile page, you can submit a bug report if you find any issues with the site, or if a preview isn't quite right. Please provide a detailed description of your issue and how to replicate your issue for the quickest fix. To view all of your previous previews, click on the dashboard page to view and manage your previews. That concludes the Pixel Previewer overview. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact us on the info page of the Pixel Previewer.